English Practice Daily.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Julia.
Hey, Julia. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Jason. Thanks for asking. And you? You sound extra happy today.
I am. The sun is shining, the sky is clear. It's just a beautiful day.
It really is. And we've got a new topic for our listeners today.
Oh, yes, a very important one. Something everyone should know.
Exactly. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to English Practice Daily
And give us a like. It really helps us grow.
and share this episode with your friends and family. Let's learn English together.
So, Julia, what's today's topic?
Today, we're talking about going to the doctor's office.
The doctor. Important, yes, but not always fun.
No, not fun, but sometimes we have to go, especially when we're sick.
Sick? Like when your head hurts?
Yes, or when your tummy hurts.
My tummy. That's never good.
Not good at all. So, Jason, let's pretend I'm not feeling well today.
Oh no. What's wrong, Julia?
My head hurts and I feel hot.
Hot. Maybe you have a fever.
A fever. Yes, I think so. What should I do?
You need to see a doctor. First, call the doctor's office.
Should we call them?
Yes. Ring, ring. Ring, ring.
Okay, I call. What do I say?
You say, "Hello, I need to see the doctor, please."
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please. That's easy.
Yes, very easy. And the person on the phone, the receptionist, will help you.
The receptionist?
Yes, the receptionist. They're very helpful. They'll ask, "What is your name?"
And I say, my name is Julia.
Good job. Yes. Then they'll ask, "What is the problem?"
And I say, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Exactly. You tell them how you feel. That's important.
Okay, so name and problem. What next?
They'll find a time for you. They might say, "Can you come at 2 o'clock?"
2 o'clock. Okay, I can say, yes, I can.
Perfect. Or, if you're busy, you can say, "No, sorry, is 3 o'clock okay?"
Oh, good. So I can ask for a different time.
Yes, you can. It's a conversation. They want to help you.
That's great. So now I have a time, an appointment.
An appointment. Yes, that's the word. You have an appointment with the doctor.
My appointment is at 2 o'clock. Now I go to the doctor's office.
Yes. You go there, walk in, and you see the receptionist.
The same person from the phone?
Maybe. Or maybe a different person.
Okay, so I go to the desk. What do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Julia.
That is very clear. I like that. Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Julia.
Yes, exactly. And the receptionist will say, "Okay, please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
Sit down. Okay, so I wait.
Yes, you wait in the waiting room. There are chairs and maybe magazines.
Oh, magazines are nice. I can look at the pictures. Yes, it helps the time go by.
And then your name. The nurse calls your name. Julia.
A nurse?
Yes, a nurse helps the doctor. The nurse will take you to a small room.
Okay. And I wait for the doctor in the small room?
That's right. But first, the nurse might ask you some questions.
More questions? Oh my.
Just easy ones, like, how are you feeling?
Ah, okay. I can say, not so good. My head hurts.
Perfect. The nurse might check your temperature.
With the little thing for my ear or my mouth?
Yes, a thermometer, to see if you're hot.
A thermometer. Okay, I understand.
After the nurse, the doctor comes in.
The doctor? Hello, doctor.
Yes, the doctor will say, "Hello, Julia. What is the problem today?"
And I tell the doctor again, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Yes, you tell the doctor everything. Maybe your throat hurts too, or your ears.
My throat? Ah, like when it's hard to eat. Ouch.
Yes, that's a sore throat. You can say, "I have a sore throat."
I have a sore throat. And I have a headache.
A headache. Yes, that's the word for when your head hurts.
Headache. I like that word. It's easy. I have a headache.
Good job. So you tell the doctor, "I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever."
Wow, I am very sick.
Yes, in our story, you are very sick.
What does the doctor do?
The doctor will listen. They'll nod and say, okay.
The doctor is very serious.
Yes, they're thinking. They want to help you.
And then?
The doctor might say, "Okay, let me see."
Let me see. What will the doctor do?
The doctor will look in your throat. They have a small light and will say, "Open your mouth," and say, "Ah."
Ah, like that.
Yes, exactly like that. Very good. Ah.
Thank you, Jason. What's next?
The doctor might listen to your heart with a stethoscope.
A stethoscope? That's a big word.
It is. It's the thing doctors wear around their neck.
Oh, I know that. Yes. They put it on your chest.
That's right. And they say, breathe in and breathe out.
In and out.
Perfect. You're a very good patient.
Thank you. I try my best.
So the doctor looks and listens and then They know the problem.
The doctor will tell me what to do? The solution?
Yes. The doctor might say, "You have a cold."
A cold. Ah, yes. When you sneeze? Achoo?
Yes. Achoo is the sound. So, you have a cold. The doctor will give you advice.
What kind of advice?
Simple advice. Like, you need to rest.
Rest? What does that mean?
Rest means sleep. Don't run or play. Just be quiet and calm.
Okay, sleep a lot. I can do that.
Me too. The doctor will also say, drink a lot of water.
Water is good. I like water. So, rest and water. Anything else?
Maybe the doctor gives you medicine.
Medicine? Like a pill or a liquid?
Yes, it can be a pill or a liquid. The doctor writes it on a paper. This paper is called a prescription.
Prescription. Okay, a paper for medicine?
Exactly. You take this prescription to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy? Is that the medicine store?
Yes, the pharmacy is the medicine store. You give the paper to the person there.
And they give me the medicine?
That's right. And they'll tell you how to take it. For example, take 1 pill in the morning.
1 pill in the morning. Okay, I must remember that.
Yes, it's very important to listen to the doctor and the pharmacist.
So, I go home, I have my medicine, I drink water, I rest.
Yes, and in a few days, you feel better. Yay, you're not sick anymore. Your head is good, your throat is good.
That's the best part. Feeling good again. It's so nice to feel healthy and happy.
Yes, being healthy in your body is so important.
It is. And you know, Jason, sometimes we don't feel good, but the problem isn't in our body.
What do you mean, Julia?
I mean, sometimes the hurt isn't in our head or our tummy, it's in our heart.
Ah, I see. Like when we feel sad?
Yes, exactly. When we're sad, a doctor for the body can't always help with that.
That's very true. Medicine from the pharmacy doesn't help a sad heart.
But in those moments, there is someone who can help. We can talk to God.
Talk to God? You mean like a prayer?
Yes, a prayer. It's a conversation. It's simple. You can tell God everything.
Everything like, "Hello, God. I feel sad today."
Yes, just like that. He listens. He's always there for us.
That's a nice thought, that He is listening.
It is. And He knows us. He knows our heart. He knows what we think and what we feel.
So, He understands why we're sad.
Yes, exactly. He understands everything about us. Only He can help the sadness in our heart.
That's very comforting, Julia.
It is. And Jesus is the only one who can bring true and full joy to our heart.
A full joy. Not just happy for one day, but a deep, lasting joy.
Yes, a joy that is complete. So, when your heart is sad, talk to God. Pray. It's the best medicine for the heart.
That's wonderful advice, Julia. Thank you for sharing that. It's about taking care of our whole self.
Yes, exactly. Our body and our spirit.
Well, this was a fantastic conversation, so helpful in so many ways.
I agree, Jason. And a big thank you to all of our wonderful listeners for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope this episode was helpful for you.
We'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. What's a new word you learned today?
That's a great question. Maybe appointment, or headache, or prescription? Let us know.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Practice Daily.
And please share this episode with your friends and family. Sharing is caring.
It is. Thanks again for listening, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Be healthy and happy.